Is your PS5 controller working perfectly in the menus but suddenly goes dead the moment you start a game? It is incredibly frustrating, but don't worry because we are going to fix this right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This issue usually happens because of a conflict between the system software and the specific control profiles required by high-end games. It is a common glitch that often involves the Bluetooth handshake or a corrupted controller cache. Step 1 is a hard reset of the controller. Locate the small pinhole on the back of your DualSense near the Sony logo. Use a paperclip to press and hold the button inside for 5 seconds while the console is on. Then reconnect it using a USB cable. Step 2 is to toggle your Bluetooth connection. Go into your system settings and navigate to Accessories, then General. Turn Bluetooth off and then back on again to refresh the wireless signal. Step 3 is to change the communication method. In the Accessories menu, go to Controller and change the communication method from use Bluetooth to use USB cable. This forces the console to read inputs directly through the wire. Step 4 is to delete and repair the controller. Go to Settings and then Accessories and select General, then Bluetooth Accessories. Select your controller and hit Delete. Now reconnect it with a cable to register it as a fresh device. Step 5 is to check for a controller firmware update. Connect your controller to the console with a USB cable. Go to Settings, then Accessories, and select Controller to check for any pending software updates for the hardware. Step 6 is a full console power cycle. Shut down your PS5 completely and unplug the power cord from the wall. Wait 60 seconds to clear the system cache before plugging it back in and restarting. Step 7 is to check for game-specific updates. Highlight the game that is giving you trouble and press the Options button on your controller. Select Check for Update to ensure the game is compatible with the latest system firmware. Step 8 is to rebuild the system database. Turn off your PS5 and then hold the power button until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Select Option 5 to rebuild the database, which fixes corrupted system files. Step 9 is to disable the remote play feature. Sometimes the PS5 gets confused and thinks a remote device is the primary controller. Go to Settings, then System, and select Remote Play to toggle it off. Step 10 is to reset the console settings to default. In the System Settings menu, choose Initialization and then Restore Default Settings. This will not delete your games, but it will reset any hidden configurations causing the input lag. For a pro tip, try blowing compressed air into the thumbsticks and trigger gaps. Sometimes a tiny bit of dust can cause a ghost input that the menu ignores, but the game engine detects as a constant signal which locks out other buttons. If you are still facing any difficulty or your controller is still acting up, drop a comment below right now. I will be monitoring the comments and I will reply to help you out within 1 hour. If this video helped you get back into the action, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. You are all set to play and I will see you in the next one.